I actually want to show you something really quick. So this is my parents' golf cart, and here is a print-on-demand product that they purchased and customized of their two little doggies here, Teddy and Toby. Here's Ted and here's Toby. I'm willing to bet that most print-on-demand sellers have never thought about selling this item, but it sells incredibly well. If you watched the last video in this series, then you already know that the golf niche is a gold mine. And today I want to zoom in on one specific product: custom golf license plates. This right here is what makes this product so good. People drive these around every day, especially in retirement communities. I know because my parents live in one, and there are hundreds of golf carts probably around me right now. These license plates are so great. They are personalized, they're fun, and they're usually customized with people's names or their pets or funny inside jokes. And here's why this product works so well. It's highly personalized, it's a perfect gift, it's niche specific. This isn't another generic t-shirt. This feels unique. Let me show you where you can find these within Printify. Alright, so in Printify, you can either come here to catalog, or you can come up here to the search and just simply search whatever it is that you're looking for, which I'm going to do. So I typed in license plate, and here are a few different options that you can choose from. So there are mini license plates that go on like dirt bikes, probably quads. This could also go on a golf cart. However, I feel like it's a little bit too small. I do love the price of this, $5.68. This could be a really great custom gift for somebody. However, if you want to do it right, I suggest using one of these. These are the ones that my parents use. So this one is $6.88. This is $7.22. Not bad, right? And these are super easy to design for. So you would just click on here, start designing. And then it's important to download the design template. That way, you're going to get a template that looks something like this, so that when you bring your design into your canvas, you are accounting for these little holes that will be cutting into the design. So you really need to be careful with that. Also, another thing to note is the print area size. So 3675 by 1857. Let me just show you what this would look like within Canva. Easy setup. So in Canva, you're going to choose custom size. So I have 3675 by 1857, and I'm going to change the units to inches. Create new design. Now I have the size of the license plate perfectly right here. Now remember, we're going to download the design template, and now I'm going to upload that template here. Okay, now here is my template. So it tells you all of the directions here. The main thing I look at is the safe area. The safe area is green. You also have to account for it's not going to be these sharp edges. It's going to be rounded out. My parents did a really simple one. They made a funky background. It was pretty similar to this, actually. A little different, but let's just say, it's kind of ugly, but whatever. Time purposes here. So I'm going to stretch this out and center it. And then they brought the picture of the pups inside here into the middle. I don't know if I have a picture on my computer of them. Let me see. Okay, for time purposes, I'm just choosing this one. And how cute. It's my daughter hugging Teddy when she was younger. But so I'm going to remove the background of this. Come up here. This isn't the greatest example, but now you see exactly how to do it. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller to make sure it's not going to be cut off at all. And then come up here to share, download. Now back inside Printify, you would just come here to upload my device and pull it in. All right, here's what it would look like. And then you can preview it here. And that's what it would look like as the license plate. And here's a mock-up photo here for it, and another one here. And I want to show you how much of a gold mine this is on Etsy. So for example, when I type license plates in, you're seeing the monthly searches here. They are being searched for. So you don't have to just sell these for golf carts. You can also do custom license plates. Some people like it for like their decor, and then also people actually want it as a license plate. But all of these are getting monthly sales here. We can take it even further by typing in for golf carts, which to me, I believe is niched down even further than just a regular license plate. And we can use Everbee again. And using Everbee again, you can see the monthly revenue on these license plates. And to me, I just feel like the lanes open. These are all pretty basic listings on here. If you get a really great design, you know, cross niche it and have a really great mock-up photo, you could dominate this area on Etsy. And you want to make sure to list this on Etsy as a personalized item. That way the customer can send you the photo or the information that they want placed onto this product. These are so easy to make, especially if these are personalized listings. Half the time people will send you the picture that they want to be put on it, just like my parents was a picture of their 2 dogs. In the next video, my 3rd video of this series, I'm going to make a golf design from scratch for a different kind of product within this niche, and I'm going to show you how you can easily put it on the product within Printify. If you missed the first video on why this golf niche works so well, go and watch it. I will link it in the description below. It'll give you way more context to the one that you just watched now. And be on the lookout for the next video in the series. In my next video of this series, we're going to focus on one specific golf product that not many people are talking about but sells incredibly well. If you are struggling to make sales in your Etsy shops, you may just need to make a few small tweaks to get the ball rolling. That is why I offer Etsy shop reviews. You can find out more about them in the description below, but basically I will send you a video recording of your shop. I will go through everything. I will find the things that you are doing right, the things that you are doing wrong, and how you can make improvements. Again, you can find out more details about these with the link in my description below. If you want more Etsy niche breakdowns like this, please give my video a like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.